What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching a bunch of BMW fails, so get ready to see the absolute pinnacle of driving excellence in motion here. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. This is what happens when the engine of a car has more cylinders than the driver has brain cells.
In half a mile.
Oh, well, at least the airbag subscription hasn't expired yet. Bro is on his way to the European Mustangs convention. And into the palm position he goes. This is one of only 940 M2 manuals ever made. It's 939 now, I guess. This guy decided to wake up his inner Mustang and he got a reverse pole position there. Hold it, M5, hold it! Oh, he touched the curb there. We saw it, buddy, don't play it off. It's funny how BMW riders are nothing like BMW drivers, actually. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. And instead of pulling that handbrake there, he's about to pull the signature BMW move. He got us in the first half, not gonna lie. Box, 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 box. And he goes to the pits, literally. That's a cool M3 station wagon there. Power! And it quickly became the M3, if you know what I mean. These two decided after finishing the BMW's driving school to go for a little ride. Brilliant. He followed every single step from the book, I see. This guy decided to join the search party because apparently his driving skills are missing. The RS5 against the M4. I think we already know who's gonna go straight and who's gonna sleep on banana peel. But jokes aside now, I think we should give some credits to this guy because it was on a racetrack and it was in a safe environment at least. We are now on board the BMW not M2 because this is 240i, I believe. I don't know, I'm not sure. And whack! This guy is like, hold my beer because I'm about to show you how to drift. Or am I? Well, that was a nice lesson of how not to do it. Our dashcam guy here just got his license and decided to go for a little ride on a Tail of the Dragon when he got a little surprise. In the form of a wild BMW M2. What an apocalyptic dingleberry. We are now in an empty parking lot with a couple of BMWs. What can go wrong, really? Anyways, we are moving on. Sir, excuse me. I don't think you can park there. That's an M5 and I'm wondering how he ended up there. It rarely happens to the BMWs, it's basically unheard of. It's always a good sign to see your driver move around like this in his seat. That's a sign that he's a pro. Or his rear end is itchy, I can't tell right now, but I mean, who drives like this? It's unbelievable. Let's check the damage now. Oh dearie me. It's a shame for the car. This is an M3, I believe, maybe even possibly a competition model. I'm not sure. It looks like he had a rendezvous with a pole position somewhere. I hear the beautiful sounds of forced induction, aka the turbos. That car really pulls. Oh, that's not good. Bro's controller got disconnected there. If you think this is just one of those videos where BMW goes full BMW and crashes, then you would be absolutely right. Ooh. I think this guy just showed us the impact of using the Mustang module in your car.
це я сделал. Контентик чисто
I
зашел.
heard this tends to happen when you don't top off your blinker fluid, but I might be wrong, I don't know. Here we have an M5 entering the highway like it's NASCAR. His traction subscription expires, he goes into a spin and he clips the other guy. But seriously now, I have no idea how he lost it there. He just did. He's probably out there cheating. Meanwhile, the boy's on a random side quest. Actually, this BMW is doing a pretty good job there. Power! Oh, come on, it almost made it. Don't you hate it when you just go out for a little ride and then, out of nowhere, a wild guardrail attacks you? It's so annoying. This was a nice army green M4. And no wonder everybody calls them Bavarian Mustang Borks. And here's another M4 with a slight signs of usage, like barely there. You can't even see it if you don't take a good look at it. I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Oh man, those banana peels. It's not like the skill issue is the problem here, it's the banana peels. E46, the ultimate showing off machine. Let's see what this very talented guy has for us. Whoop, whoop, and like I said, into the ditch he goes. Another one. What's with M4s today? Like, what is going on? Oh, yeah, as I suspected. The pole position got him this time. It's not the other way around. And here we have a totally friendly BMW driver. Who definitely didn't just reverse into another car on purpose. It was totally an accident. Now we are once again in an E46. You can tell that by the air freshener there. And this is another masterclass of drifting. Or going full Tony Hawk. Here we have a couple of geniuses in a BMW who decided to drive in the wrong direction for some reason. What are you doing, bro? I can't see a single reason that would justify this. This is unbelievably stupid. Were you maybe sniffing the liquid arrogance again by any chance? Oh, what a surprise. Another M4. How he ended up there? He probably spun out up there on the street and then fell into this parking lot here. This generation of X6 is known for many things, but off-roading is not one of them. But that's not gonna stop them from trying, I guess. Well done. Some say that they're still there. And if you're still not convinced in what I just said, then take a look at this. The proof is in the pudding. Anyways guys, it's time to wrap up this video. I think it's enough of driving excellence for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's BMW special episode. And if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.